Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a direct link to Amira and add it to a page within your course. So the first thing that we need to do is come up here to the top blue navigation bar and click on Groups. Within Groups you want to click on Savannah Chatham Public School System. When you get to that group, it is going to have all of the websites they have linked there. We want to come over here where it says Elementary Websites. And we want to hover over Amira and right click on her. So you're going to click with the right button on your mouse and then come down to where it says copy link address. So I'm going to click on that. Now we're going to take this copied link and add it to our page within our course that we want the students to access it on. So I'm going to go home. I'm going to click on homeroom because that's where I want them to access Amira. And I'm going to go to the page that I am working on for next week. So I titled next week's page September 14th through 18th. I want to add a content block, rich content. I'm going to title it Amira. And I'm going to type, click here to practice reading with Amira. Now I'm going to highlight what I just typed and click on the link icon. And I'm going to paste the copied link address from the SCCPSS group. And then I'm going to click OK. And when you click off of it, you will see that it's blue. So that means it's linked and ready to go. However, for our younger babies, we do want this to be big enough and in their face so that they can see it and they won't pass it up. So go ahead and change the size and go ahead and make it extra, extra large. So now it'll be nice and big so they can't miss it. Then click OK. And there it is. It's ready to go. So let me show you the difference between what it looks like for teachers versus what it looks like for students. So to get to Amira, I'm going to click here. And it's going to sign me in. This is very similar to Clever. So your students will not have to type in their login credentials. So it says, welcome back, Mackenzie. So automatically you do not have Amira set up. So what you're going to need to do is come up here to where it says welcome and then your name, click on the drop down arrow. Click on manage programs. And they already have Amira loaded ready for you to manage it. What you want to do is you want to add your homeroom classes to Amira. So I think I have 2 homerooms for some reason. I'm not sure why that is, but I'm just going to go ahead and click on both homerooms to make sure all my students are in there. Then you have to click save. Success, you've successfully saved the changes. So X out of that. And now I'm going to go to discover. And because I linked Amira to my homeroom, Amira is here. If I go to mathematics, Amira is not going to be there within Discover. There are no programs associated to mathematics. So I'm going to make sure I'm in my homeroom, either one, and then click on Open. And this is where it will take you to Amira so that you can see your students' reading and oral fluency data. Now, it looks slightly different for students. Here is the view. Whenever students click on this that says, click here to practice reading with Amira, it will look like this. So it'll say hi and then their name, and automatically it has Amira ready to go right there. All they have to do is click on Amira and get started. I hope that helps. If you need any help adding this to your page, let me know.